Hi everyone, it's the second week in Barcelona. We're heading to the aquarium, so I'm gonna film some of that, so I will see you there. We're at the aquarium. It's super busy. Here's the line. Cage diving with the sharks.
Successful.
The sharks came right up. I know. We're at this restaurant called La Plata and it's famous, and we just ate lunch. I didn't film the food because it's like hectic in here, but it was really good, wasn't it? So good. So good. So good. And then we're going to, what are we going to do?
We're going to go to El Corte Inglés, the most famous department store in all of Barcelona.
Yes, we're going to go there.
I'm shy, I'm shy. How are you? Just a minute. So, we need to go. Novels, yeah?
So what is it called? Really?
I don't know, but let's find out.
Oh my god. Okay, we don't know what it's called, but we're here.
Santa Maria del Mar. Santa Maria del Mar.
Okay, that's right. So we have a guided tour in 15 minutes. Oh, it's so pretty.
Oh my gosh.
Look how pretty it is.
What time is it? 15 minutes. 15 minutes.
It's so pretty.
Well, have two water.
So we got gelato. I got strawberry and cream. Now this is banana, chocolate, and nuts. I think. What did you get?
It's specific català.
You got chocolate cream. What did you get?
This one. Yeah.
Which one is that?
It's dulce de leche. It's local. It's good.
So we're at the other cathedral.
Oh my god.
What is this one called?
Barcelona Cathedral.
Barcelona Cathedral. Okay. Barcelona. So we're at Aldi right now getting some stuff for the beach tomorrow. There's our cart. It's hectic, right? Yeah, we're trying to find everything. Everything, yeah.
Very interesting.
Some shrimp, which is really good. We can't find cocktail sauce.
Well, I mean, we're trying to make it.
Yeah, we can't find
I know.
horseradish sauce. Here's our part. Now we're heading to dinner. We have a reservation at 8:30. Yeah, at 8:30 at this little place. Apparently it's like family owned, and there's a lot of drama. So it's dinner and a show. Yeah, there's a grandma apparently that has a lot of drama.
And the grandkids.
Yes, so we're excited for that.
We have 3 of those. Yeah. We also just had some mussels and calamari. Wow.
Good morning. It's Sunday, and I didn't film a ton last night after dinner. We went out and then we came home and we went to bed. And today, what are we doing today? I don't even know.
Going to Park Güell.
Park Güell. We're going there. What is that?
And then La Sagrada Familia.
Okay, we don't know.
They're
And then Las
They're from Gaudi.
Sagrada Familia. I think I
architect.
pronounced that wrong. Oh, okay. So yeah, and then the fireworks tonight on the beach, right? Yes, and that's gonna be fun. That's gonna be really fun. And I think we're going to have breakfast. So, yeah. We're on our way to, what is the park? Well, anyway, a park.
Oh my god.
So this is the famous bench in Cheetah Girls, right? Cheetah Girls, here it is. Yeah, here it
This
is.
is the bench that they're doing.
The view is so pretty.
Numbers.
Here's the gingerbread house. Okay, so we're at lunch.
For the walk.
We went to a place that we went to the other day, right? It had really
Yes.
good. I think I love that.
What is it called? I don't know. Thank you.
But it's really good. Okay, they're invested in the menu. Yeah. Sagrada Familia. Good morning, everyone. So last night we went to St. Joan, the fireworks festival on the beach, and it got pretty out of hand. And if you haven't seen my last vlog, then you should go watch that. It's linked in the description box below because I filmed the whole night. So this morning we're gonna head over to the beach again, and I will see you there. Let's see. Shoes on again. Okay, so we made it to the beach. It's actually really busy.
There's drunk people.
Oh yeah, there's still people. I think we're gonna go find some lunch soonish, right? What time is it? It's 1 o'clock. That's so pretty. So what all is it?
I have no idea. Squid, there's
There's
shrimp,
calamari, there's shrimp.
there's a little fish that we had the other day.
Yeah, the little fish, and then this is tomato bread.
And there's a sauce that comes with it too. Yeah, I'll take a picture
So
of this.
pretty. And then we have paella coming.
I think this is a good amount of food.
Here is the paella. It's so pretty. Look at that. Wow. Everyone's taking pictures. We had to get dessert. Okay, so that's truffles, strawberries, and cream. And then what is that?
Creme katawama.
I want to say like creme brulee.
Yeah, that's what it kind of looks like. It's so pretty though. Hello everyone. I'm editing right now. As you can see, it's going to be a really fun vlog. But I forgot to create an outro. So if you enjoyed this vlog, then please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for weekly videos. And please comment down below any suggestions of videos that you want to see here in Barcelona. So I will see you next time. Bye!